Inserting or merging pages from other PDF files into our own is very easy. Here, I'm using Tenorshare PDNob software to edit PDF files. For example, I'll insert or merge this cover PDF file into this one. To do this, go to the Page menu, then select Insert, and then select Insert File. Find the PDF file you want to insert. Once you've found it, click on it and click Open. Several settings will appear. The first is which pages to move from the file. Here, I'll only move one page, the first page. Second, the placement of the pages in the file we're moving. Here, we can move them to the first or last page, or if they're in the middle, we can specify where to place them. For example, I'm placing them on the first page. The next setting is the location, whether before or after the existing pages. Since this is the cover page, I chose before. Once all the settings are set to your liking, click Insert. And the cover page of the PDF file will automatically appear on the home page of this file. So, easy, right? Hopefully, this tutorial is helpful. See you in the next video.